Hey guys, Todd here with RC Ohio. I picked up a little FPV cam for my recovery boat. If any of you guys have watched my video on my recovery boat, it's a work in progress. I never realized that it would be a problem with my depth perception once I got out to recover my yellow boat or whatever. So as I was talking about before, I thought that I needed to do some kind of FPV setup in the cabin of the boat or something, so I could see exactly what's going on when I'm out there. Sorry about the background noise. I'm actually printing a cradle for my old iPhone 5S, which is going to be another part of the video, but everybody's seen an iPhone 5S. But I kept this phone, and it's going to be part of my FPV setup. I'm printing a cradle that's going to mount on my transmitter, and the phone will go in there. And this is the camera that I ordered. That's going to go in the cabin of the recovery boat. This is that generates its own Wi-Fi signal, so my iPhone will pick up the signal from the camera. This is a RunCam 2 is what it is, the silver version. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of it. Let's see, you should be able to see that, I believe. Do a quick unboxing. I've never messed with one of these before, so I'm not going to turn it on or anything on the video and try to get connected, because it's probably it's going to turn into a boring video of me getting pissed off because I can't figure out why I can't connect to my iPhone. So there will be a second part to this video showing all of the hardware mounted in the recovery boat, the cradle mounted on the transmitter, me connecting, and then sorry about the dogs. And then next weekend I'm going to go out to the local park and try some recoveries with maybe some floating balls or something, and I'll show you some of the FPV, the videos, and see how it looks and everything. So don't want to make this a whole lot longer. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and show you what we have in there. Nice packaging. I'm sure people, I'm not the only person that's ever done a RunCam unboxing, so I'm sure everybody's seen these. But this is just it tells you how to download the user manual. That's there. Here's the camera itself. It's plenty small. Nice small camera. So I'll walk over to the boat real quick. Should be going up in there like so, somehow facing out, obviously. Really nice packaging. There's really good dense foam there. Really nice dense foam, so I'm sure that was protected well. There's a desiccant pack in there, so that's a good thing. It fell down in there. But anyway, to keep everything dry, who knows how long this thing sat around on a shelf or what kind of warehouse it sat in. And this is just all the other little things that came with it. this will come in handy. Obviously, there's a small mounting clip. Yep, there we go. Somehow like so. I don't really know how I'm planning to mount it yet, but that's a nice nice sturdy mount, nice sturdy clip. It's got a quarter 20 clip that goes in the belly of it in case you're gonna use it on a tripod, I would imagine. There. Two RCA jack. I don't even know if TVs actually have these anymore. Looks like an extra lens retainer. I could be wrong. Small USB to mini USB. I would imagine that's to charge. I'm not positive what that whole thing's for. Probably if you're connecting this to a quad, that mini USB probably ties this into the receiver for power and possibly image transmission. And there's a small lanyard here that unscrews. One end to one side, one end of the device so it doesn't fall, I'd imagine. Two Velcro straps, that's nice. It's got their logo on it. And it looks like we have some 3M double-sided tape, which is always nice. It's better than your average white foamy double-sided crap that you get at the dollar store. Did not see a battery. I'm assuming it's in it. And it is not. So maybe it's in here somewhere and I just didn't see it. I don't know about that. Yep, there it is. Very nice. I've seen on some other videos for the Run Cam 2 that people's run cams have actually come with 4 gig cards. I did not see that in here. I really don't care. I don't have much use for a 4 gig card anyway. So here's the battery, nice and small, very light. Everything's nice and light. That's good. That's all I got right now. So thanks for watching. I will update this later on this week, and I will also have a running video this weekend showing the FPV from my boat. And we'll see what how this does, if this is the answer, and hopefully my boat's finished. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments, and I will certainly get back to you. And please share, please like, please subscribe. Thanks a lot.